problem. No, love. God bless you. Have a lovely weekend. It doesn't matter. Here, you're having a souvenir from Ireland. Irish Cancer Society, Daffodil Day. Please support. Like everybody else in life, and we all know, we all knew somebody with cancer. My own father, my aunt, uncles, lots of people that I loved. I have a few friends at the moment that are in remission with cancer. So if I can come out just for a few hours or the day and do a little bit to get support for them. About a half an hour ago, while I was doing it, this lady, foreign lady, came up to me and she said, "Thank you very, very much for support. I have cancer, I'm in remission." And I was nearly in tears and she was in tears, and she gave me one big hug. That makes my day all the more special when I meet somebody that I know we're helping. The Irish Cancer Society, Daffodil Day. Help us to support people with cancer. Where are you from? Kent. English, I'm going. Hello, love, how are you? One of these. Thanks a million. And you have a lovely day.